In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel pressure sensor on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle under the driver's door. Let's get into it. Under the hood, we're going to take the fuse box cover off. There's a couple of tabs in the front. Just push those back and pull the cover up and slide it towards the front of the vehicle. On the back, you can find a key. We're going to look for the fuel pump fuse and the fuel pump relay. The relay is 59, the fuse is 18, and those are located right here and right here. So we're going to pull this fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse. Grab the relay. We'll pull the relay out as well. Now we're going to start the vehicle and bleed off the pressure off the fuel system. And the engine's going to stall. Shut it down. I'll take the relay, get that lined up. And the fuse, put the fuse in. Take the cover, line the cover up in the back, put the tabs in, push the front down, and latch it in place. Now we're going to disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm socket, loosen up the negative terminal. And set that aside. Underneath the vehicle, you can see where the ABS module is. If you follow the fuel line back a little bit, you can see where the sensor is. Now we'll disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab, slide it off. Using a 16mm crow's foot, we're going to loosen up the sensor. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath because you might lose a little bit of fuel. Oh, there we go, a little bit of a spray. Just a little, not too bad. And take that off. Using a pick, we're going to take the O-ring off. Just get underneath. Block that off. And take a new O-ring. That lined up, push that all the way on. I'm just going to take a little dielectric grease, put it on the O-ring, a little bit of silicone. And take the new sensor, that lined up. Tighten it down. Once you get close to the O-ring, go slow so it doesn't roll. Alright, that's good. Snug that up first. And we're going to torque this to 11 foot-pounds. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down, and take a rag, wipe any excess fuel. You can wash it off with brake parts cleaner. Now take the negative terminal, get that lined up, and we'll snug it down. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.